We have Anamsa Singh, Anaya Yadav, Jia Arora, Tiesha Rana, Anya Goyal, Yesha Chopra, Ahana Chibwal, and Soumya. They have made to the first position in many DD schools. I also request Anne ma'am, Praveen sir, and Neha ma'am to please come on the stage. Dear children, please give them a huge round of applause. Let's again give them a big round of applause to these amazing winners. Rabhya, Anshika Yadav, and Anna Soni. Please give them a huge round of applause. I again request Anne ma'am, Praveen sir, and Neha ma'am to please be on the stage. I want to hear a loud cheer for them. Please